All right, so your iPhone is lost or stolen and you want to track it. I'll show you two ways to do this. One for the folks who have another Apple device and another way for those that don't. Also, a quick reminder, for this to work, you need to have Find My iPhone turned on. This is usually on by default, but if you turned it off before losing your phone, the tracking unfortunately will not work. Anyways, let's track down that phone. If you don't have another Apple device, you'll go to iCloud.com and log in. You can do this on a computer, phone, tablet, really whatever device you can access that has an internet browser. You'll log in with your Apple account and password, and if you're able to get all the way in, you can use the Find My app to locate your device. Most people, however, will get stuck at this screen where you're asked about two-factor authentication. Normally, the code goes to your phone, but your phone is lost, which means you can't get the code. No worries, there's an easy solution for this. Below the two-factor code, click the Find Devices link. This is designed for the situations where your device is lost and you can't use it to get the code. You'll get access to the device tracker without needing two-factor authentication to access all your iCloud content. You'll see your devices on the left with their current address, battery level, and with an option to play sound or put the phone to a lost mode. When you put a phone to a lost mode, the phone gets locked, and you can add a message or phone number that gets displayed on the lock screen. The tracking here is really accurate and shows you a pretty precise location. I have mine zoomed out because I don't want to show my home address to the whole world, but even the address bar on the left is able to pick up the exact house number that I'm at. If you have another Apple device, you can simply open the Find My app, and under Devices, you'll see the location of all your devices. If you own another Apple device, you don't need a web browser for this. You can just do this from the Find My app. I can take my iPad, for example, open the app, and under Devices, I'll see the location of all the Apple devices that are logged into my Apple account. And that's how you track your iPhone. Click the like button if this helped, and let me know how your tracking went. Hope you're able to get that phone back.